Hello traders, in this video I would like to address the basics of the Alpha Fibonacci system. This is a system in front of you. This is the most important chart. This is how pure system is. System is based on simplicity and purity of the price. There is no indicators in front of you. The bold green line means your interest to take only longs. The bold red line means your interest to monitor for shorts only. The only excuse for you to remain long at this level if you are in significant profit. Entering into not an option. Trading from Alpha Fibonacci levels. Staying between the lines is the only option. With the help of a scanner, this is, as some of the traders call, is the best video game in town. The reason this green line is so bold, because this is institutional buy zone. And this is what intelligent trader knows. Trading with institutions and not against them is the most important part of your trading. Can you trade from these lines on any chart you choose? If the answer is yes, then you have a very big potential of becoming successful Alpha Fibonacci trader. You simply have to identify what instrument you want to trade. This is S&P Mini Future, the top day trading instrument in US. And if you decided to trade 1 minute chart with the power of the software, with the precision of these levels, this was your buy level on multiple charts. And pay attention to what's happening on the price right now. As we just closed the class, intelligent trader not staring at the chart. Intelligent trader is done for the day. This was your ultimate trade. And that's what you apply to any instrument you choose. Simply decide what is it that you want to trade. Is it oil that rallied from ultimate bottom in 2020? Where 61 is a crucial level on oil? Is it Apple that's overextended and currently in bearish correction, where Apple keeps selling off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified months in advance? Or is gold? Every single one of these instruments can be traded with Alpha Fibonacci system. Stay between the lines. Practice with focus and effort. And if you want to invest long term, buying the bottom, selling the top, and day trade with the Alpha Fibonacci system, with institutions and not against them, the sky's the limit, as traders share every single day in Alpha Fibonacci room. So here's a post from our students from the trading room. In the months of January, as Joseph says, this is the beauty of the system: consistency and reliability. This is what students have done on January 28th. As William shares with his positivity and power, very positive statement, as Richard shares what his account is now. As Richard keeps inspiring others, please listen to his podcast. Doubling demo and then trading live since December 7th. This is what Richard shared in the room. And that's every trader is a different story. Does not they trade S&P as Richard done? Can trades Bitcoin on options and stocks on his iPhone. This is the email Ken sent. You can also listen to his podcast. Crisis is opportunity for intelligent traders. And when more and more students share every single day on January 7th, Ednan Trading and Q, Jennifer's friend, her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. She also trades S&P and NQ. Traders supporting each other and share preparation for the trading room is key. Theo just joined us as he shares. It is very inspiring. More and more posts from students. As students keep sharing every single day. As Theo keeps sharing, he just started trading with very positive support of those who are making an effort. And when students say, "Thank you so much for the class," it never gets old. And that's the reason I love what I do. I look forward receiving email and listen to the podcast with you. And that's ultimate community of powerful traders in US, Canada, Asia, Europe, and Middle East. Every single trader, different account. Every single trader, different background. But majority of these traders been through a lot. So when you're surrounded by such supportive community and you are making an effort, this is all you will ever need. Practice, effort, and focus. Do what Tom Brady does. It never gets old to see what's possible with the Alpha Fibonacci system. Simply stay between two lines. And when you do, as Jennifer says, it is all possible. It is almost ridiculous. As Kenneth says, "You changed my life." This is how simple and pure a system is. That's it. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. Simply obey the rules and make an effort. This is the month of January with my incredible traders in the trading room. So during the month of February, I only focus on my incredible students, only on them. This remains the simplicity and purity of the system known globally. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, from 11 to 100 years old trading the system. From stocks, futures, Forex, options, anything you choose. Stay between the line, obey the rules, trade with institutions, and the skies are the limit. In the month of February, I devote all of my time to my students only. Every single day, very important classes. Every single day, very important discussions. We are not being distracted by all the other things. Focus on my students only in the month of February. Any questions for me? First, I highly encourage you to listen to view students' performance, students' podcasts. And if you would like to speak with me, click on Contact Us section and call or email me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. I look forward working with you. And that's Alpha Fibonacci System in the month of January with our incredible community. If you make an effort, you can be here with David, Richard, Ken, Carlton, Emmanuel, Brett, and many, many others. All you have to do, obey the rules and make an effort.